Welcome guys. Let's do Certic coin technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my targets and my new charts. Certic current rank is 476, price of Certic is $1.83 right now and it is BEP20 coin. Market cap of Certic is $105 million. That is good. 24-hour trading volume of Certic is $16 million. And circulating supply of Certic is 57 million only. And total and maximum supply of Certic is 105 million only. It is low cap coin. That is why it is very important. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you charts and website. All-time high of Certic was on April 6, 2021, about 8 months ago, and price was $3.97. All-time low of Certic was on October 23, 2020, about a year ago. And what is Certic? Certic Chain, a security-first delegated proof-of-stake blockchain for trustworthy execution of mission critical application including DeFi, NFTs and autonomous vehicles. And it is available on these exchanges. Let me please show you. Binance and Gate.io and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can also grab $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free. Just click on these links and register your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses, and these are absolutely free bonuses and these are tradable bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token and let me please show you charts. First of all, I have to show you website of this token. For this I have to go to up and I have to go to on this page. This is Certic page, and after that I will show you Certic charts. These are 3 charts I have managed for you. Here you can see Certic. Market cap assets 310 billion and project on board 1182, and these all coins are audited by Certic, and there are lots of coins that audits by Certic, and Certic is a trustworthy platform and very trustworthy coin. Let me please show you first chart. This is Certic 4-hour Bitfinex USDT pair chart, and here you can see it was in this falling wedge and successfully break this falling wedge. Maybe it can retest this zone again, maybe it can retest this again, and after retesting this price will bounce back, and if it happen then this will be huge. And if you see it clearly, there is a W pattern. Here you can see this is the neckline of this W pattern, and it also broke this, and target of this W pattern would be like this. Let me please show you. Target of this W pattern is this area, $2.04. And if I calculate technical target of this falling wedge, in that case, let me please arrange this. Let me please do this, and let me please put it on it, and let me please mention it. $2.35 will be the target. Starting point of this falling wedge will be the target. You can say our first target is $2.04. Our second target is $2.35 right now. Let me please show you volume. Volume is satisfactory, but we need strong volume confirmations. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are above from this EMA ribbon, and that is very good sign. And this is now turning as a support. Let me please show you RSI. RSI above 60, that is very good, and it is bullish. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover towards upside, big green towers, indicating that price will go up very soon. And let me please show you my second chart, which is daily chart, and this is main trend line, and this is support area, and this is second support area. Currently it is trying hard to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $1.82, which was previous support, but now it is turning as a resistance. Once it broke this, in that case our first target will be like this. This will be our first target, and this is main trend line. In that case it will break this main trend line, and after that our technical target, this will be huge, because this is like a falling wedge, and technical target would be like this. Let me please arrange this chart. And technical target is $3.22. This will be huge. And let me please show you volume and some other indicators. We need strong volume. Volume is missing in daily chart. We need strong volume confirmations. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon, and it is at $1.90 price level. Once daily candle closing above $1.91 price zone, in that case it will break this EMA ribbon, and after that a big rally of towards upside will definitely start. Here you can see candles broke this EMA ribbon. After that we see a big move of approximately 162%. This area is very important to break. Once Certic broke this area, in that case it can easily hit my targets. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you some other indicators. RSI, daily RSI is about to hit 50, and it is very good. Once it goes to 50 or 50 plus, in that case this will be huge. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover is about to happen, and towers are changing their color. This is the indication price definitely will go up after this crossover. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. And here you can see this is my favorite indicator. Let me please fix this chart. Here you can see these yellow lines are main CPR lines, and these lines are now turning as a resistance. Once candles broke this, in that case $1.95, if candles price broke $1.95, then this area will turn into major support zone. After that these are targets. These blue lines are monthly CPR targets for this token, and first target is $2.32. Second bullish target is $2.73, and third bullish target is $3.17. These are monthly CPR targets. Here you can see Certic hit the bearish zone, and the bearish zone was at this zone. This red line is a bearish zone, and it was $1.51 price area, and after that it turns in as a support, and after that price goes up. Now it is turning as a resistance. Once it broke this, in that case it can easily hit these targets, and these targets are very realistic. Let me please show you weekly chart. This is weekly chart after creating top at $3.80 price area. It is now in this pennant, or you can say ascending triangle, and this is down trend line, this is upper trend line, and it is moving like this. And here you can see next move will be like this, and after that it will break this. Once it broke this, in that case what would be the target? Let me please show you. In that case target will be huge. In that case, our next target will be very awesome and very huge, $5.05. But for this, it have to break this upper trend line and close weekly candle above $2.40 price area. Once weekly candle closing above $2.40 price area, it can hit this target $5.05. This is very realistic target. But before this, it have to break this resistance, which is very strong resistance, and it is at, here you can see, $2.25, and this area is turning as a support area. If I calculate the target according to support and resistance base, in that case, our initial target will be like this. After breaking this, our initial target can be $3.23. These are two targets, 3.23, and after that 3.78 and $5.05. These are three targets. And let me please show you my target for this bull run, and it is very important. For this, I have to take this tool, which is trend based fib retracement tool, and let me please manage this. Let me please fix this chart, and please give me some time. After that, you can see it very clearly. Here you can see it is right at the bottom, and it is about to hit 0.23 Fibonacci level. Once it broke 0.23 Fibonacci level, it can broke $1.87 price area. In that case, our second target is 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is at $2.18. After that, 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is $2.43 price area, and after that 0.61 golden pocket, which is at $2.68 price area, and after that this area, very important, 0.78, and it is at $3.04. Once it crossed $3.04 price area and cross 0.78 Fibonacci level, it will be very bullish, and after that our target will be this. $7 is very realistic target for this token to me, and I think it can easily hit $7, maybe $8. This is very realistic target for Certic, and it is very realistic to me, and I hope you like this video, and this is the target. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, like this video, share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of Binance, Pmax, Bybit, KuCoin, Huobi, and FTX exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free, and these are tradable bounces. Put your seed money away, just trade with this free money only, and this is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.